It's the last day, it's the last Sunday for Botswana. We're going to put Botswana on fire. Devil like it or not, Botswana will be on fire. Botswana, get ready. This week is your week. You will never see another Monday before you blessed. There's no another Monday that it will be coming. Meanwhile, you're still crying. Your time has come, Botswana. Your time has come. God remembered you. Botswana for Jesus. We are coming to Botswana. Now we are counting only days and hours. And we wave hands for Botswana. Wave the hands for Botswana. Wave hands for Botswana. Wave hands for Botswana. We are ready for Botswana. We're ready. What is your promise to Botswana? What are you promising them?
God shall be there, whether we live or not there. God will remain there.
The sound of victory. Victory will be experienced in Botswana.
Testimonies are guaranteed.
Botswana, the general of God is coming for you.
Botswana province is on the way. It will be bombing.
The devil, like it or not, we are going to Botswana. The devil is in trouble in Botswana.
After the sound of the trumpet, Botswana will never be the same.
Botswana, it will never be the same again. Clap your hands for Jesus.